They say the abused learn silence first, then survival, then how to disappear while still breathing, 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 breathing. Black mascara in a shotgun mirror, trailer lights flicker like a bad dream killer. Daddy's voice still living in my head, like a rusted nail in a motel bed. Cheap bourbon, tears in a neon cup. Every time I heal, somebody cuts me up. Small town ghost in designer jeans, pretty little nightmare on a crack phone screen. And I smile like nothing happened, upload pain in high definition. Love me loud, hurt me louder. I was raised inside collision. I am the definition of the abuse. Half heart, half noose, lip gloss bleeding on a cigarette bruise, dancing while the whole world burns in blue. Yeah, I break like digital static, sweet like poison, tragic. God made me electric and damaged too. I'm the definition of the abuse. Definition of the abuse. Crash me into heaven. Love was always a weapon. Bible on the dashboard, pills in my coat. Mama said survive, so I learned how to choke on every sorry, every slam screen door, every fake forever scattered on the floor. Now I wear pain like rhinestones. Auto-tune cries through blown speakers and iPhones. If hurt had a heartbeat, honey, it'd be mine. Tick, tick, ticking in perfect time. The abused become hurricanes when nobody hears the rain, and every scar's a fingerprint from hands that never change. But I'm still here, still singing through the interference. I am the definition of the abused. Fire wrapped in jewels, cowboy boots stomping holes through the room, trying to outrun what love can do. Yeah, I glow like broken pixels, wild-eyed, artificial. If heaven's got a back row, lead me through, 'cause I'm still the definition. Definition of the abuse.